Hey guys, wait, turning on the mic.
Welcome to another vlog. I actually just posted a vlog today and we're vlogging again. Back-to-back vlog to kasi this will be the last week that I'm gonna be in CDO. And then nag-aantay ako for my Move It. He is 5 minutes away. Grabe ang mura ng Move It. Best pa Uptown, 98 pesos. Like, is this Tagalog? Sa bagay, nare-realize ko kung gaano pala talaga kalaki yung Maynila. Kasi pa Uptown sa amin, mga 3 kilometers lang, ganun. Liam, nagawas na. Or hindi ko lang alam. Actually, oo. Mga ganun lang siya. Wait, sige nga, tignan natin. Directions. Ay, hindi pala. 6.5 kilometers away. Oh, tapos pag 6.5 kilometers away sa Maynila, magkano na yan? Is this Tagalog? Pero ang tagal ni Kuya. Gutom na ako. We're gonna eat sa Punchik. I haven't tried there, but it's a matchiv here in CDO and it's been here for a very long time na. But hindi ko pa siya natatry, so finally we're trying it today. I'm gonna be out with my friends. Yes, time check 4:21. On the way na din sila, no? Let's go, ge. Bukas din may lakad ako with the cousins naman. So, we're gonna... Ewan ko, with the aunts and all. So, hindi ko din nalaman ng mga ganap ng everyone. Basta nandito ako, sige, i-book niyo ako kasi wala na ako pagka next week. Maynila na naman ako and we're back to barracks. Sige na, magsapatos na ta. Okay guys, we're here sa Punchik with the people. Lami, jud siya bay. Mods. Okay, guys, ang sarap na to. Like, holy shizzles.
Ayun ba siya sa... That's what they say.
Lami siya, more on sweeter side siya. Nice ba dairy Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Good food, actually, very good food. Whoa, is this the Uptown Live? Okay, guys.
I wait for it.
Hala ka, nice. Watch, wala ba ako today ay?
Pwede ba yun na yan? Pwede kita. Other package
Nandito kami sa Don Pacifico. So nice here. Okay guys, so ang dami naman naming nakikitang mga tao dito. We're waiting for our matcha.
Your man?
We're waiting for our matcha. Super patok yung matcha lately. It's a good business option. Pero murag mo saturate na kayo siya, no? Feel na ako. Lugo na, hindi ko sa watch do. Pag bibili ako.
Nabudo.
Ayan na siya, nagsisimula.
Wait lang.
Actually,
Bouquet ba?
pag bibili kami ng watch, bibili ka ng bouquet.
One watch
899
hedge. 2 premium.
Kini.
Dibs ako.
Keychain siya. Gold ba ka? Silver ata ko, no? Guys, meron kasing ganito.
Bro, cool.
Gusto ko ng maliit.
Nice. Seiko, mantinga ito nga. Ginapangita nga niyo. Okay.
Uy, gisay ko niyo. Guys.
Dibs on this.
Parang I really like this. Pag bibili ka nga, bibili ako. Ayun, ganyan siya, oh. What if yung watch lang yung gusto? Sorry. Oh.
Ay, wala pa sumpay? Ay, wala pa sumpay, boy.
Ay, wait, yung silver po. Tapos with plain. Ang plain, yung buong ano na po yan. Or per
anak. Flowers ko, guys.
real. Pero kasi maliit din kamay ko.
Oh.
Nice, sa imo ang good.
Wow. Bagay lang, yellowish gold.
This is, kani mong bagay rose gold.
Like this gold. Kani kay murag yellowish gold
Oo.
siya, dili bagay kayo. I think so, like.
Pero okay lang man. Try mo to.
Yan yung kuha nga sa ito.
Oh my God, nainitan na
Kani
ako.
ang gold and
May
silver.
mga ganito siya. Wait, nakakaano naman
Gold or silver.
Wait, didikit ba to?
Kuha na.
O,
Gold
diba?
or silver. Okay ra ba sa ako silver?
Ako mag-silver ako.
Silver na lang ba yun?
O, tara, silver.
Pila
Kini?
ka po gani? Uy, bet fam.
What you guys think? Uy,
Yeah,
hindi
okay,
ako
weird
nabili
lang
ng ganito talaga.
Kato, mas bet ko to. Kato.
No? I like the
bling-bling.
bedazzled. Okay na to. Ito na. Guys, eto guys. Namimili kami ngayon ng watch. Sa atin ba yan? Tatawagan lang yung name, di ba? Wala pa naman. Mamaya kinuha natin.
Gusto ko mag-add of something. Pila ang
Special.
Nay classic tag 7. Okay.
Oh, saan klase? Ayun na yun. Ako pa rin. Wala na. Hello, Shell. Wala na. Are you sure? Yun o, yung mga ganito. Huwag na. Wala ka ng pera dito. Ang ganda naman ng nightlife ng mga uptown. Uptown girl. Ang ganda niya. Sana hindi lang maano no, matanggal yung gems.
Or Ara?
Ara, ikaw ba yan?
Ara, ikaw na.
Atin yan? Oh, atin nga! Yay! Thank you po. Naasa na tamo plastaan ni Ron.
Saan po man?
Oh, tara. Oh, ayan pala. Oh my God, guys. Is this Tagalog? Antayin mo natin si ate. Kinakabit niya pa yung ano. Picture, airdrop na lang.
Ulit mo.
Bug. Okay. Taste the matcha first.
Go.
Ay, putang lalami siya yun. Lami ang matcha, oy. Lami siya do. Sige, kaon muna, kain muna. Lami siya, no?
Boss.
Basin or maybe? Ah. Okay, taste test of pudding. Medyo matamis.
Medyo matamis.
Yung pudding.
Kulangan mo tamis. Kulangan siya.
Ha? Baka maling batch. May... Abasin ng ano, di, tikman mo yung parang... Charot, di ko alam. Lahi. Ba? Sino lang? May natry akong pudding dun sa QC ba? May lamay, kabuang.
Oh, tsada
So,
pa
so-
itanaw ng ilaha.
Diba? Tapos sa
Tama ba?
kanya.
Nakitaan ba? Ano? And mine,
Go.
devoured.
Okay, so habang wala... Dito muna. Ano na nagsisiga? Ay, sorry, si ate. Ayan na pala. Dalawa pa. Thank you. But, pila na to. Ayun, may ube din sila. Ube matcha.
Ay, matcha din.
Uy, lami ba ya siya?
Ang?
Ube matcha.
Ako try.
It's actually amazing.
I don't know.
Tayo, naubos mo na. Naubos mo na talaga. Ano siya nga, yung banana pudding, tapos naubos niya na pala. Naubos mo na, te. Ngayon ka pa magko-comment. Nakakainis. Ganun siya pagtaot? Oo. Medyo stretchable, parang gano'n. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, go ate. Hello, nice. Ang ako po, magkano?
900.
Uy, overage. 670 po. 670. Tara! Bet na ako ang ano, airport. Ay, airport. Pero laundry, nice ah. Nice ang kaningin niya. Tara, laundry. Tapos dapat naisa ka ng laban. With eksena. Guys, magpo-photoverse ka. Alright. Hello! OMG! Actually,
Maayong mana.
kung magnet.
Be, try them. Oh! Perfect. Bet.
Dapat mag-music video ta! Gusto ba niya ano? Hi guys!
Uy!
Wait, siya sa atong first like, check diri. Tapos natin isa diri sa gitna. Like, parang, uy, unsa na? Tapos, diri ko. Isa diri. Naman!
Sige.
Dapat dito ka lang na. Gaganon ka like, parang, uy, unsa na? Pero isip ka pa dito. Parang gaga. Tapos ako, parang nag-isip ko lang. Wala.
Uy, 8 seconds. Tapos, ayun sa top. Kani. Or kani.
6 hours.
Skibidi ba? Skibidi. Show you off. I wanna show you off. What you got? Can touch Toto, bitch. Wow. Look at this. POV, ikaw ang ginalaba.
Ano dong? Ano dong? POV, ikaw ginalaw.
So, intro. Kami na. Sige, one. Sige.
A day in the life. That's the tama. Sino? Pop, 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 poker face, pop, pop, poker face. No. Naaalala nyo ba? Yeah, boy! It's the Sunday, it's the next day, and I'm gonna finish up some work. I couldn't bring my laptop, so I'm a bit cooked because I have things to finish. So we're gonna do it here on my phone. So today, we just came from church, and then after, we're gonna eat lunch here, then we're gonna get groceries. I'm with my family today, and then mamayang gabi, gala with the cousins and whoever that is. So yeah, this is a weekend of socializing. Oh yeah, guys, look at my new watch, Bog. Ang ganda niya. It's a bracelet pala na watch. First time ko magka-watch ng ganito. Sana hindi madaling mahulog yung mga gems. Kasi it has those stuff. But it's actually nice, no? Like, yeah, anyway. So, after that, I have some research stuff to do. Oh my God, ang hirap naman pag sa phone lang. Thank you sa lahat ng mga nag-answer sa survey namin. Now, we're gonna interpret that. We'll do some research and then I also have some work stuff to do. So, we'll do that and then we're gonna continue with our day. Bagong lipunan! Bagong lipunan! Wala na din, may kabalon sa inay. Sali ka tayo.
Happy Sunday to everyone.
Fresh from Manila. Ato ne? Bahaw ne? Basta nalagay ni ay.
Bagong lipo.
1, 2, 3, go.
Nai meatballs. Napa na yung sulod. Hindi po ba pa? There is ano.
Hi guys, gusto ko ng matcha. Okay, so I'm watching Pia. Wala, tambay lang. Ayan o, natutulog yung mudra ko. Sinali talaga. Okay, I need to do my research now. Well, I'm watching Pia. I'm gonna do my research. Grabe, lahat ata ng mga may, sa lola at lola na bahay may ganito. Gusto ng matcha. Gusto ko yung kagabi nakapina. Oh my God, ang sarap nun, like, holy. Not even joking, not even exagge. Hey friends, so we're in the grocery store. Kita niya naman. Buti pa dito kasi hindi ako yung nagtutulak ng cart. Hindi ako yung magbabayad. Yan yung maganda. We're with the whole family. Free me. Once a week. Oh, nice. Uy. Gabi naman. Okay guys, nandito kami sa apartment 1 with the who? Bang. The mix of generations. Wala, ang isa daw na. Wala. Break low, but hey friends. Nandito tayo sa 80 degrees. So, waiting for the aunties. Medyo hindi ko masyadong bet yung sa apartment.
Wala kaming pake.
We have to give honest reviews. For me lang naman. I mean, like, nag-patchy yung makeup ko. Naloka ako, te. Layer, no? So, tignan natin. Hey, friends, we're in SM. Okay. Thank you po. Ate. Pila po. Gift po. GIF. 300. Ang ganda ng hair. 좋은 거야? 나쁜 거야? Really? Low. Hair walyo. Ang ganda. I think it's a little bit too short, but it's okay. It's gonna marinate anyway. We're done with our haircut. I'm done for the day.
Bye, Krispy Kreme.
Tara, I'll buy Nasad. I'll get matcha when I'm in Uptown. She said, "No, your hair is so nipis, ma'am. So stress nino." I'm like, yes po. I mean, I asked if like, do you have treatments for like that na para kumapal? Sabi niya wala po, pero prevention lang for hair fall. And then I asked her, do the oils daw work? She said, no, it doesn't work. Oh, wait lang po. Na may Gcash. Cash only. Cash only. We're buying KK, guys. I'm vlogging for TikTok and YouTube, so I'm just gonna crop this out. How do you like my new hair? Oh, thank you. We can talk. We can talk. Guys, inflation is real. Guys, we're gonna go home now. He's gonna go home. I'm gonna go uptown.
I forgot to put this in my...
You have? What the heck? No. I think I look more mature. Cause shorter hair, man. I look like a kid now, guys. What do you think? Hi, guys. Bakit baliktad? I think I'm gonna get it with egg. We're in Chizam's. Na ako'y cash. 500 para masuklian.
Sa inyo, ma'am.
Sige, ikaw muna.
Go
Go na.
gawin down.
Separate? Ano ka?
Di, isa lang. Pila ang additional sa egg?
18 ang egg, ma'am.
18.
Additional egg na yun.
Tapos, isa pa ka randang with egg. Yan lang po. Wait lang, wait, can you give me my wallet? My hair is so kalkag.
Isa siya gold para dyan.
It's in the pocket. Thank you.
174.
My friends were in Chizam's. Chegue Pateran. 44 times 2.
46.
Ah, 46 na siya.
46 times 2 plus 18. 110.
Smart people. Are you saying I'm fat? So there's fat because they're squishing it. So I'm fat. Guys, this is the best Pateran place in CDO. Papa poker face, papa poker face. No, papa poker. So we ordered beef rendang, which is 46 pesos only. Oh my god, 46 pesos only. Back then it was, how much was it back then? Like
44.
44, and then I kind of still was.
I-off na ko niya.
Show them the food. And I got you carry that, I'll carry this. Pag yan laglag talaga. Ay, sorry po.
Thank you.
Thank you. Guys, look at the food. This is 46 pesos.
Ako na diya.
Thank you for the camera holding.
Where's the utensils? Wala ba? I think glove lang.
Huh? Hala, glove lang. Maybe they don't do the utensils na. This is Chizam's. Medyo wala pang tao. Pero usually, nung grade 2 pa kami, dito kami kumakain. Diba? Tapos punong-puno to pag lunch. Maaga pa kasi, 11:30 pa. So, may pasok pa yung everyone. Pero yeah. This is 44 pesos on. Thank you po. 44 pesos. Tapos 18 yung egg. Hmm? Huh? What's it paid? Oh my days. Really? Back then, guys, the water was free and there's utensils. Right now, they don't know. I'll wait sa daily matcha while you gym. So he got 2 beef rendang. So how much is this in total? 110 lang po. With egg na yan. But if it weren't for the egg, how much would it? 92. You guys don't know. Pater is like a Muslim food. Ow! It looks small, but that's a lot. Why are you using your left hand? You eat with your left hand?
Because I want to use my dominant hand.
For what?
For any activities.
iPad kid.
Isn't that like smart?
No. Mukbang. Very hot. Hi guys. So the thing is, you have to balance things. So my lunch was how much? 45 plus 18.
80?
18. 46 plus 18 there. 64 pesos daw. My lunch was 64 and my drinks 250. So you have to balance things, you know? This is their Kinako matcha. This is the matcha that I always order here. Kinako Dango matcha. I'm gonna miss this when I'm back in Manila. That just woke me up. So this is the tango. Just my brand. You step inside with a vibe I ain't never seen. Yes, you did. So good. So good. Let's buy it.
Oh, another.
Careful, huh? Show me love, show me love, show me love. I'm gonna miss the...
Break even na. Go to
12:40, iwan mo na ako. Iwan mo na ako. Iwan mo na. No, is my hair curly? No, it's because it was wet, right? It was damp in the night. What's the rush? Unless you're in a Fortuner. Guys, look at my hair. 뭐이고? 웬일이야? Guys, look at my hair. Don't you think it's pretty? Mystery Man Philippines edition. He doesn't know that. Okay, hey friends! Guys, last time naglaro kami, nanalo ako 3-0. Pare! Hoy, 3-0! No, that was 3-0.
No, you put down sana. The black inside, it's 2-1. Boy, 3-0.
I even had it documented. So today we're gonna play again. And I know I'm a defending champion. You're playing against a defending champion. 아, 이거 새로운 거네. 이거 테이블 1이야. Same, it's so loud. So it's so loud, guys. Like, louder. Slowly, chok. Dun sa kabila meron. Camera 괜찮겠지, 거기? Okay lang kayo dun, guys. Wala na tong storage yung camera ko.
Wala.
Are you for real? Walang chok, guys. Ay, sabi! Hoy, wala yun. Cut yun. Oh, see? Saka pa.
Wala yung chok ba?
The kilid use. Ayan, medyo. You get chok there. Okay, guys. Wala na akong storage. Bugok. Wag na. Goodbye. Babalitaan ko kayo. Guys, ako yung nanalo kanina. Hindi niya binigyo. Daya niya talaga. Daya.
Let's clean the backboard. Nice ka.
No. Bro, sama na? Done! Okay, friends. So, panalo ako as always. And he didn't even record my first winning shot because he was busy on his phone. And he didn't even record properly my third shot. My second winning shot. My second winning shot because he was so busy on his phone. I mean, he didn't video properly. We won the second round, but I just gave it away. I just gave it away. Gusto ko sana mag-bowling kaso wala eh. Dahil magaling dyan eh. Okay guys, I'm a bit thirsty so I think we're gonna buy something to drink. I'm so good at billiards now. Like honestly, this is not even... Guys, hindi to amin. So what's your order? 2 chocolate. Oh, 2 chocolate. Mine is tuna garlic ranch with cheese. Okay, what's happening now?
I feel like waffle just supposed to be always.
Bulat tabi.